Okay, you're ready to research. Before you start researching, make sure you understand that you are only researching one topic. In the previous assignment where it said choose your topic, you picked your topic. Did you pick government? Did you pick colonies? Did you pick the Revolutionary War? Whichever one you pick, that's where you go. You're not doing all three. You're only doing one topic. So that's why it's important. And this course that you don't click go to the next assignment, go to the next assignment, because it's going to take you to everything and you don't want to go to everything. So far, the only thing you've turned in is your topic choice. Most of the things are just things to guide you along this process. So if you, let's say you picked colonies on your list of assignments in your student view, you're going to go to this colonies assignment. And I'm going to click preview here so we can look at it, what it'll look like when you open it. Great choice. Colonial life is fascinating. Below, you'll find two documents to help with your research. Now, what it means is down here, you've got two things colonial note taking. So you want to open that up. And as you're doing your research, you're researching about the New England colonies and the middle colonies and the southern colonies, and you're going to put the names of the colonies, the geography, the economy, the religion, reasons for founding. This is your research document. You're not going to turn this into me. This is just where you keep your research. If you're a researcher that would rather write it on paper, go ahead, write it on paper. I don't care. You need the research for your project. You're not going to turn it into me. But down below here, there's the second document. This is a Padlet. The Padlet is a way for you to research with other people. So with this Padlet, let's see here. I'm going to click here to open it up. See this little arrow here? This is the colony section. So every child in this class that's researching colonies has access to this same document. So that's researching together. So if you find a piece of information about the New England colonies, you go here and you type what you found. You tell them what you found. So, New England colonies were in the north, and maybe you have a picture you found of them you want to put there, or uh, you want to upload something you found. You can do all kinds of things there, and then there's going to be your research. And then somebody else is going to add another one below it, something that, or up above it, something that they found, and then somebody else is going to add something else that they found. So when you're, look at how great that is, because when you're getting ready to work on your project, you've got your research plus everybody else's research all right there. So you're working together to research. So you get to decide, do you want to write your research on paper? Do you want to type it in this document? Because this document's just for you. But make sure you spend some time in the Padlet. Just go over to the corner at the top and click this little arrow that'll open up and put your research there, because you and everybody else in the class, could be 20 or 30 people, are all researching about colonies. So make sure when you're posting something that you read and see what other people have posted. Like if somebody has put southern colonies had plantations with crops, you don't want to put the same thing. That's already there. You put something new that you found, and you can put pictures of maps you found. You can put links to things you found, but that's a place to put all your research together in one place. So when you're researching, remember, you only pick the one folder that is the topic you're working on: Revolutionary War, colonies, or government, whichever one you picked, not all three. And then when you're researching, you can type it in that document. That's just an organizer. Or you can write some things on paper, but you want to make sure you go to the Padlet, because that's where all your team members are doing their research as well. And you'll have not just your research, but the research of 20 other people to help you with your project.